Hello, and this isn't a tutorial. This is a video where I will show you guys what my computer specs are, because people have been asking me and asking me, same thing. So they've been asking what sort of specs this computer has, and I have a very interesting message here, which I shall just find. You won't be able to see it. It says, I would like to know details about your computer. Is it strong or not, and all the core and this. Your tutorials are awesome. And very funny noises to keep doing funny things and noises. Yeah. It ends with from Kayaranush Katan 1. Okay. I'll tell you my specs. Just, why did you put on the end? Exclamation. Okay. So, to show you what I have, I shall start with my display. So, that's monitors and shiz. So, here we go. I'm guessing I can't remember, but this is a 19.5-inch widescreen monitor, and I have two of them. But they're different make. Like, this is Samsung, the one I'm on now, and that's Acer. And they both look completely different, and it looks weird, and they're both different heights, which doesn't help. But it's two monitors, and the resolution, if you can't read it because you're on a mobile, hallelujah, you're on a mobile, you're probably the 1% watching them on a mobile, because why would you watch a tutorial on a anyway, the resolution is 3060 by 768. Yeah. So, I've got two of those, both at the same. For some reason, this can go 2 more pixels wider. The Acer one can go 2 more pixels higher, and it's pointless. I don't know why. Hang on, what? Yeah, no, 2 more pixels wider. I don't know why. So, I'm just not going to apply those changes. It doesn't really do anything, so yeah. I want to upgrade them, but I don't have money, so I keep buying other stuff. And now I shall go for the Big Daddy. Actually, no, the graphics card. Let me find it. The ATI Radeon HD 4800 series. I'm not sure if that's the model or the series of it, but that's what it is. It's a 1 gigabyte graphics card with 2 monitor slots, but they're not the standard VGA ones. They're just something else. I don't know what they are. What is this voice? And a S-video slot, which I really should make use of. Should do. So, it's a 1 gigabyte graphics card, so that I can. This is good for gaming computer, but I don't really game much. I don't know why. I should take advantage of it more. So that's the graphics, and now it's time for system. Okay, I have Windows Vista Home Premium, legit. It's I don't really want to get Windows 7 yet. As you can see by all of what this looks like, it looks like it's Windows 98, which I did because it's quicker, and I don't like the transparent bit. It's just ugh. So yeah. Service Pack 2. The rating. If you ever go on Start and then Games, you will notice, like, I do have a few games. That's a rubbish game. I love that game. That's a good game. Like Solitaire, for example. It will say, like, the recommendation, what spec recommendation point thing you need. So, like, Battlefield 2 doesn't have one. Neither does that one. Oh, it does. No, it doesn't. Oh, yeah. I probably guessed. But, close. All of these are rated 5.9. And I think that that's the highest you can get, but I don't know. Well, I have processor. Oh, and the computer's a mesh computer. It looks nice. It has a door. It's awesome. It's made of metal. Okay, processor. AMD Phenom TM. 2. I'm gonna just do II X4 955 processor, 3.2 gigahertz quad core. So that's basically. I'm gonna have to use a calculator for this. I'm sorry, but my math is terrible. 3.20 times 4. This is basically a 12.8 gigahertz processor, basically. But I have also overclocked this bad boy to that's underclock. I overclocked it to 3.8 before, but that can get very unstable. It crashed a lot when you render, so whoops. It's quick, and the memory 8 gig, nice. 64-bit, of course. I'd say that's. I don't really know any other stats which I could say. Cost. Now I bought this. Well, I didn't buy it. I stole it. Well, no, I didn't. It's a family computer, but I've hijacked it. But when I think we bought this about around 3 years ago, I'm guessing, and it only cost £800. This computer cost £800, British pounds. I would do an exchange. I don't know how much that is in dollars. I can find out. No, I'm not going to bore you with maths. So I shall show you what having a quad core computer can do. So here I am in 3ds Max. I'm just making a random scene. I'm going to use Mental Ray. Yeah, this isn't a tutorial on how to do anything in Mental Ray. Re-Ray demo, it's awesome. Damn watermarks. Okay, so when I render, oh, this is gonna be too quick. Yeah, you didn't see that at all, did you? I'm gonna use Daylight System. I don't think I've actually done a tutorial on the Daylight System. It's a good, quick and dirty. I have to sniff. Rendering system thing. It looks quite realistic, sort of, yeah. Ooh, that was a colossal fail. It's early in the morning. I'm not with it. Let's get jiggy with. Okay. Now you notice when I render. Oh my, that's too quick. When I render, I'm gonna just zoom into that. That you see 4 little boxes. You can't. Yeah, 4 boxes. I'm gonna make that a shiny material just to make this render go slow. I keep pressing M. Soz. Okay, let's go for an arc and design material. Reflectivity, that. Yes, there we go. Alright, let's render that. Okay, you can see there are 4 boxes, well, there's 4 boxes that render basically in Mental Ray, and that's because there are 4 cores rendering. Now, you may have seen on other tutorials that people have 8 boxes rendering. That's not because they have an 8-core processor, because they don't exist yet. Please exist. Please. It's because they have a processor. I just dropped something. They have a processor with hyper-threading in it. Now, I don't understand what it does. All I know is that it basically doubles the processor. So basically, if you've got a quad core, you've got an 8-core. If you've got a 6-core, damn you, you have a 12-core. Sort of. I don't really think it doubles it. It's sort of. It's something to. I don't have a clue. Google it. Google it. All I know is it doubles the amount of boxes you have in Mental Ray, or V-Ray when you render. So that can always help. Having 8 gig of RAM, that also helps when I have 3ds Max and After Effects open at the same time. I can actually use them. You can I can be rendering in After Effects and like working on a scene in here, like yeah, making boxes. Look at me, I can make boxes. La 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 la. So I could be doing that at the same time, and this will run smooth. I don't really want to render while After Effects is rendering, but it's good that I can use multiple software thingies. Ooh, chocolate. Yeah, that was old chocolate. Ugh. It's good that I can vomit. I mean, use different software at the same time. So having 8 GB of RAM is always good because I think it allocates 4 GB of RAM to 3ds Max. No, After Effects, and it only uses half of that when it renders. So technically, it's only using 2. It doesn't really need it. And having a 64-bit operating system means that you can add more RAM onto it. So upgrade your RAM, upgrade your operating system, maybe get a better processor, and you're fine. Oh, and hard drive space. Completely forgot about that. I'm sorry. I am an idiot. I have... Okay. This is a 500 gig hard drive. Drive C. There is 9 GB left. That number will change randomly all the time. Like, 1 minute it will stay at 9.5 GB. Next it will drop to 2 megabytes. Then it'll go back up to 60. I don't know why. If anyone knows, please tell me. I don't know why. I've deleted tons of stuff and it's just going... That's my noise of the hard drive, just filling up with nothing. Yeah. And I have another 500 gigabyte hard drive, which has got 31 gigabytes left. So technically this computer came with 1 terabyte of hard drive space, and I've only got 50 gigabytes left. I'm an idiot, and I also have an external hard drive which is not plugged in or turned on at the moment, which is a 500 gig hard... I cannot speak today! Which is a 500 gig hard drive, and there's about 19 gigabytes on that left. I need to delete shiz. Yeah. So technically I've got 1.5 terabytes of space, which has got about 69... It's got 69 gigabyte of memory left, hard drive space left, so... It has been running a bit slow lately. Like you saw when I was pressing M to get up the... Look, I pressed it, there it is. And it takes a while, like pressing 8. Yeah, that's quick. Things can take a while, and it's sort of crashing at the moment, so I either need to restore it and then lose everything, or just delete a ton of stuff. So yeah. So that's the specs for you. In Tutorials news, let's see. Let's go to the account. Let's close Facebook. Hello. We have 339 subscribers as of August the 17th, 2011, 11 past 12, Greenwich Mean Time, whatever you call it. So that's it. Almost one subber of 340 subscribers. Total views, 64k. Nicely done, sir. Channel views, nobody cares about that. Let's have a look at the insight. One day we did reach 500, almost 500 views in a day. Yeah, there. It was over 400 views in one day, and that day was just awesome. So, and also I'd like to say thank you for all the views on this tutorial, which took quite a long time to do, as you saw, 46 minutes, and 444. And this one, 1.5k. Let's see how the big gun's doing. 14,000. Who are those 7 people? I want to kill them. Jokes, jokes, jokes. So, and also, partners, we submitted this application months ago. It's still being processed. How many people are applying, or how difficult is it to say, should we let this person be a partner? I don't know, Jim. Should he be? Yeah. Sorry about that. So, I'm gonna make a tutorial once this is finished. I've got a great tutorial. It involves hand-drawn making things in After Effects look hand-drawn, like this. Meow. Like, so just all of... I'm not going to do... Might do the right stuff on, but right on things, but it's making it look like it's being animated. I made this for a company in London called Wireworks. Wireworksdigital.co.uk. Go look at them, they're awesome. I made this for that company. They're starting out, they're new. Their office is small, but they have like 2 massive Macs which I got to use, which was awesome. So yeah, this is... Oh good, we can upload longer than 15 minutes, because I was scared this is going to go longer than 15 minutes. Okay, whoops. So I think I should end it here. This is going to be a tutorial on how to make something like this. I'm not going to use anything in this, because any elements from this, because they're in London. So yeah. Keep the subscribers coming, and keep watching and commenting. This is going to go to exactly 16 minutes. I will stop it. So goodbye. Gonna stop now. Now.